Welcome students to this E-class of BCom second semester supplementary English, and we were discussing the lighthouse keeper of Aspinwall. This is the third lecture of the same story, and in this lecture we will be finishing it, we will be completing it. Okay, so we were discussing about the interview that Mr. Isaac Falconbridge took, okay, of Skaminsky, right? Because he was somewhat doubtful, but he got convinced after Mr. Skaminsky showed the medals and the process that he had honored with by different countries, by the militaries of different countries, right? And then it was decided that Mr. Isaac would be appointing Mr. Skaminsky as a lighthouse keeper. In the very beginning, I told that actually Mr. Skaminsky was a kind of wanderer. Okay, he was a person who wandered various places and got good experience, and he was actually in search of peace. And finally, he thought that it was the place, Aspinwall was the place which was really, good place for him to stay there, right? So, what conversation or how the interview took place, we must know about it, because in the very beginning, I told you this particular story is about what interview skills. Okay, how we answered the questions of Mr. Isaac, etc. All these things are given here. We also can get little insight from this kind of interview or this conversation. So, Mr. Isaac started. Where are you from? I am a Pole. Okay, Poland. Where have you worked up to this time? Have you worked somewhere? Okay, ask the question. Mr. Isaac asked the question. In one place and another. I already told that he was working in different places, so he showed all those documents or testimonials to Mr. Isaac. A lighthouse keeper should like to stay in one place. So at this question, Mr. Skaminsky said, I need rest. I need peace. I need rest. Have you served? Have you testimonials of honorable government service? And when this question was asked to Mr. Skaminsky, he showed all those testimonials, right? And after that, was convinced well that Mr. Skaminsky was a brave man, and this place, or this particular post, especially this post of lighthouse keeper, was okay for Mr. Skaminsky. But it was also made clear to Skaminsky that it was a laborious work, because he would have to climb near about 400 steep steps. Okay, and there was many problem, especially for Skaminsky, because he had wandered a lot of places, and this place he thought that it was okay, or it was the place that he was in search of, and he was actually happy. Okay, he was actually happy. So what he thought that time is given here. This place is one of those which I have wished for most ardently. This is the place, he said, this is the place that I was in search of. Okay, from so many days. I am old, as it is given that he is 70 years old, but I need rest. I need rest. I need to say myself, here you will remain. This is your port. It means he wanted to leave that particular place. Okay. Now see, from this conversation, from this interview, you must have learned some certain things. Actually, when Mr. Skaminsky came for the interview, when the interview was conducted, he had actually gathered some information about the post. Okay, so in the same way, whenever we go to face the interview, first of all, our documents are submitted, and then we are called to the interview. So when the actually interview takes place, that time we should know about that particular organization. We must have thorough knowledge of the post and the requirements of the post. Secondly, our willingness. Okay, you see, he was 70 years old. Just imagine, he was just old. He was not young. He was not middle-aged man. Still, he had the spirit, stamina. Okay, the willingness was there. So that willingness was his strength. It was not his weakness. Okay, weakness was what? His age. But his age did not come into his way as a bar, okay, as a problem, as a hurdle, because he was willing. Okay, you should show this willingness. and you should have skill of what convincing the person before you, okay, the interviewer, that yes, definitely you have the competence, you will prove your competency through your work. Okay, you should be willing, you should have this kind of willingness in yourself. So all these things are there: your knowledge, your experience, your degrees, the information about the post, the information about the organization, your willingness, your competency, or your talent, your intellect. All these things are must when you go for the interview. And when you have confidence, okay, when you have confidence, that time you very clearly tell the next person about your strengths and weaknesses, and your willingness is a very important point that can convince, okay, the interviewer that you'll be doing the job well. On the basis of those things you are assessed and your selection is done. So you must have all these qualities in yourself, and definitely the success is yours. So this is what the lesson that we learn from this, the lighthouse keeper of Aspen Wall. And in the very beginning I just told you that this is about interview skills. It is a kind of motivational story, it is a kind of inspirational story. It inspires us, it motivates us. Many times we should get motivated by ourselves, we should get motivated by reading the stories. Many times we get motivated by the people around us. We should not get disappointed. If we have the competency, if we have the knowledge, if we have good information, and if we are willing, if we have burning desire in our heart to do something lofty in our life, then definitely no hurdle is there, no problem is there, our way is clear. You must have all these features in yourself, all these qualities in yourself. The world is yours, the success is yours. Okay, so this is a great lesson that we learn from this particular story, that is the lighthouse keeper of Aspen. And lastly, he was selected. He was appointed as the lighthouse, and he was also happy because he was in search of such a place, and he was confirmed that definitely that place will give him pleasure, though not comfort too much, but he thought in his mind that he would be comfortable with that place, and this way his wish was fulfilled lastly, and he was appointed and he was happy with his work. So here we stop. The story is done, the story is completed. Thank you very much.